Traders, the Kiwi dollar is trading down into a liquidity pool under here. These candles, this one, 4-hour chart. This is a significant level. So we've got this level here, or up here, this distribution, mainly this level through here, but a little bit of a pause under here as well. So I'm anticipating maybe some kind of pullback, and I'm looking to get short. All right, so I want to see a move back into equilibrium, and then I'll be targeting this low for one thing. And if it continues down, well, you can mark up these other lows under here. This level, just be looking at, the 50. You can see that on my Fibonacci, slightly above. Let's just go there. So there's a potential target, if it continues down. Now, if you see, the thing about this entry point, there's a significant imbalance through here, this thin candle. Right, so it's one-sided trading, bearish imbalance, and I would expect some kind of a move back into to rebalance and move back into equilibrium, and then continuation. So that's my take on the Kiwi dollar at the moment, guys. I would be delighted if you were to comment. That would be awesome. And yeah, look, a pullback up into the imbalance, entry when it starts to roll over, and look at that on the 15 or the 30 minute. Stop loss above, and target 1 and 2. And if you want to go to town, there's a, you could go through here for another target, something like that. That's my take on the Kiwi dollar, guys. Love a comment. That'd be awesome. Have a great day. Safe trading, and see you in the next one.